of the strategies that is in our 200K portfolio that you can get from our book, 7 Trading Systems for the S&P Futures, is Gap Fill 1. I want to show you the results for this. This is going back to 2002. We released this book in 2010 and has an incredible out-of-sample analysis. It does have a small average trade profit, 48.85, going back to 2002. In more recent years, that's a little higher. Good strategy to start trading. It's in a little bit of a drawdown. You see this little dip here, and so this strategy uses a $200 profit target, $500 stop loss, and that is one of the reasons why it is 73% profitable. So it's hard to trade this, in my opinion, because the profit target is so small compared to the stop loss, but if it works, it's a potential strategy to trade, and it is in our 200K portfolio. And a lot of you like these high percent profitability. So this is without slippage and commission. I'll show you the results with slippage and commission. Here is a screenshot about half the profits because you're going to take about $25 out. So once you take about $25 out, that's about half, and that's something that trades pretty frequently. And then we take a look next at the equity curve. There is the equity curve. So still a good equity curve, still good performance summary, and that is one thing you can trade on Monday. Another strategy that's in this book is Gap Fill Combo. Now Gap Fill Combo lets profits run, and it takes bigger trades. And so you see that short on Friday, it would have captured that short. And this is a strategy that combines Gap Fill 1 and Gap Fill 2 in the book. And Gap Fill 2 has not done as well as Gap Fill 1 out of sample, but it is starting to recover. Here is Gap Fill Combo with slippage and commission. It includes Gap Fill 1 and Gap Fill 2. And since this time frame, we talked about this yesterday, interest rates. These gap fills, Gap Fill 2 is a different type of gap fill. It's a more extreme gap fill, and those more extreme gap fills tend to work better when there's more volatility and higher interest rates. And you see it's a little bit of a delay from when it stopped working into when it started working again. The window for low interest rates was in this time frame right here. Low interest rates started here and they ended about here. And so there's been some good trading periods even in low interest rates, but now it's working well since August of 2016. So you also have the option to trade Gap Fill Combo, which has a better potential, more of a potential to capture the bigger trades because it does not have a profit target. And so that's another option. But Gap Fill 1 has a great out of sample from the beginning. And so that's what you can do if you get 7 trading systems. This works in NinjaTrader 8 and TradeStation. Here is a more complete out of sample analysis we did in January. And this book was released in 2010. So this is an 8-year out of sample video right here. Shows you all the strategies. And this is an updated video of Gap Fill 1 and 2 as we go into November for November's trade.